Kotak Education Foundation's newest initiative is the Foundation Literacy and Numeracy Program. We believe that education is the cornerstone for any development in a nation. This program is based on 4 pillars: an innovative content and curriculum, a dynamic teacher training program with lesson plans and all support for the teachers, a school leadership component which ensures that the principals and the leaders are aligned with it, and a community engagement.
The Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Program at Kotak Education Foundation works at a multiple level to make sure that the children are achieving the Nipun Bharat mission. And to do so, we are working with teachers, we are working with headmasters, we are working with students and communities. With regard to building learning spaces, we have taken up the project of transforming a school and making it fun for children so that they would love to come to school and learn all the foundational skills that they need to. So let's take a look at what we have done with regard to building these learning spaces. Let's go! As soon as the child enters the school, there are these stairs where we have put numbers. So children can play games, addition, subtraction, and in this process they are also learning numbers. We also have tangram. Tangram is an important part of maths where we teach children how to combine shapes to be able to create different objects and shapes. So therefore we have added these here. On my left, we have the 21st century skills. 21st century skills are very important for the development of children because they help the children to become independent individuals. So the 4 C's of 21st century skills we have added to the wall so that the children can look at them and it's a daily reminder for them. For a child in grade 1 or 2, it's very difficult for them to understand emotions. So to ensure that children are able to understand these emotions, we have a pictorial representation of the same, and the child can look at them and get a daily reminder of all of these emotions. Here we have tried to incorporate all the shapes that are there that the child looks at every day and the real-life implications of all of these shapes. The theme of our school is that of a train. So here is a train and the child enters the classroom. The classroom floor has been transformed into a way in which the child can learn angles. So as you can see, there are different angles of a protractor that is drawn on the floor. Here we have decorated the soft board in such a way that math concepts from 2D shapes to number sense to different multiplication, subtraction and other of those signs are all displayed in a way that the child can learn through seeing. We also have a number line here. Number line is one of the basic concepts that are needed for the child to be able to learn number sense, addition, subtraction, also what are positive numbers, negative numbers, and how positive and negative numbers interact with each other. So having a number line like this, the teacher can use a chalk and ask the child to mark different numbers on the number line. And as you can see, the number line is placed at a height where the child can access it and use it. We have created a celebration wall here where whenever a child is doing something which is great and the teacher wants to appreciate them, the child can stand here and the teacher can take a picture or just celebrate the child in such a way. As soon as we enter every class, we have a height chart. This is a good way in which the children can experience the growth in height that they are having year on year. Next to the height chart, we have a mirror. And there are some positive reinforcements that we have added which they can use on a day-to-day basis. This is provided in every classroom and it helps to build the self-perception of every child. As a child, I used to love scribbling on walls. So this is a good place for the child to express themselves, and sometimes teachers can also give collaborative peer learning activities where 2 children can come and draw something or do math calculations or things like that. As you can see on the wall, we have all the lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units. and the teacher can do activities with children where she can tell a number and the child has to go and add the digits as per the units placed.
Every classroom has a space like this where the child can come and sit and spend some time with books so that the children can inculcate the love for reading. And connected to all of these books are these hand puppets. So the teacher can use these puppets and show the children a visual representation of all the characters in these books. In this FLN space, what we have created is a behavior management technique where every time a child is not listening to the teacher or the teacher wants to give them a timeout, this space is a good place where the teacher can ask the child to come, sit and spend some time with themselves so that they calm down.
So here we have the train which has all the 3D shapes that are there that children learn. To ensure that children learn their foundational skills is through something called a 6-station method. We focus on focus stations, storytelling station, listen and talk aloud station, skill drill station, homework station and pedagogy station. So here we have something called a magic cube, which is basically a way in which children can learn multiplication. And here is a space where we have also put a few problems for them, which they can then use this cube to solve. On my right side, I have this word puzzle. This is a good way in which children, when they are in the passage and they are spending some time with their friends, they can find different words, and these are all in Marathi. So, Pratika, why don't you come and help me figure out a couple of words?
Yeah, sure. So, here I can see Kamal. I got the first word. It's Kamal.
This is a concept of literacy as well as numeracy actually, where the children of grade 2, 3 and 4 learn comparison. So here we have somebody who's talking about heavy, so you can see a child lifting a heavy weight, and light. Similarly, tall, so there's a person who's tall and short, small and big. We have a wall which talks about hygiene. So we have included things like eating vegetables, brushing your teeth, taking a bath, and they are beautifully displayed through caricatures and pictures. This is a small snapshot of everything that we have done in this school. See you in some other school. Bye!